Welcome back to my channel, where we explore natural solutions for healthier, more beautiful hair. In today's video, we're delving into the incredible benefits of rosemary oil for hair growth. We'll also reveal a secret combination that can supercharge your results mixing rosemary oil with pumpkin seed oil. The magic of rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a powerhouse for hair growth. It's packed with nutrients and compounds that can stimulate hair follicles and improve blood circulation in the scalp. How to use rosemary oil. To make the most of rosemary oil, mix a few drops, about 5-7 drops, with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil. The carrier oil helps dilute the rosemary oil, preventing skin irritation. Once it's mixed, apply the oil blend directly to your scalp. Gently massage it in, ensuring it reaches your hair follicles. Benefits of rosemary oil. Rosemary oil strengthens the hair shaft, reduces hair loss, and leaves your hair looking fuller and shinier. It's a natural solution for improving hair health. Pumpkin seed oil power. But here's the secret sauce: pumpkin seed oil. It's rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that further promote hair growth when combined with rosemary oil. To create this powerful elixir, mix approximately 5-7 drops of rosemary oil per every 10 ml of pumpkin seed oil. These two oils work synergistically to support hair health. How to apply the combined oil. For optimal results, apply the combined oil blend directly to your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage it in gently, ensuring that it reaches the hair follicles. Leave the oil on your scalp for at least 30 minutes to allow your hair to absorb the nutrients. While using this combined oil, expect gradual improvements in hair strength and growth. For best results, be consistent in your application. You can apply this oil blend 1-2 times a week, and it's important to maintain a healthy diet for overall hair health. If you found this video informative, please like and comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and insights.